Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. I'm happy to have you here with me today. We will be unboxing Lookfantastic, so stay tuned. Lookfantastic Beauty Box comes from the UK. It costs me $19 a month, and it's typically has a value of 60 or more. Let's see. They obviously ship internationally because they shipped it here to me in the States. So let's get into it. It's a really pretty box this time. It did come in an outer box. Let's see, I've not peeked yet. So right on top, we've got the pamphlet that talks about all the products that are in here and what might be different ways of using the products. And then we have the sticker and the tissue paper. So let's see what they've got for us this month. Okay, well, it's full. So, oh, it looks interesting too. All right, so the first page is the editor's note. And then what's in the box. So here it does show some of the different products. Okay, so let's start with number one. It is Filorga Age Purify Intensive. Let's see if I can find that. Oh, I was expecting it to be a size that was decent. This is teeny weeny tiny. This kind of size, I'll be really honest with you all, you just don't get enough to know whether it's a product you want to invest in or not. It has niacinamide, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid in it. You're supposed to massage it into the face and neck after cleansing. You're gonna maybe get a week's worth out of it, and I don't think any skincare you see results after 1 week. You need to try products for a good month. So I'm not trying to diss on them, but it's just this is tiny. We'll continue on. The next one is Skimono, okay? And this is a Radiance Recovery 4C. All right, so we'll see what this is. A potent eye serum mask enriched with liposome technology to reduce the look of dark circles. It has collagen, chamomile, cucumber, and vitamin C in it. Okay, that's definitely worth trying. I'm always down for a good eye mask or face mask. All right, the next item is, and I never know if I'm saying this right or not, Ahava. And it's smoothing body lotion. Now let's see what size this is gonna be. Okay, it's a decent size. This is the size I was expecting. Can you see the difference and why I was so alarmed? I wasn't expecting this. All right, so this is a smoothing body lotion, superfood, kale, and turmeric. Wow. And it says to use, massage a generous amount into slightly damp skin post-bath or shower. Wow, that's great. I like that. So it's a hydrating body lotion. Okay, can always use that. The next page shows Ciate Blush. And I have 2 of these already, but I will open it up so you can see, and I've used mine, and it is lovely. I like blushes that have highlighter already in them, and this is one of those. It has a lot of highlighter in it, actually. It's beautiful. It's pink with swirls of peach and gold. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I think it is. And I loved it on me. Now, it's not what I have on today, but it is a very wearable color, whether you're pale skinned or not. and I'm pretty pale skinned. So that is expert tip is check out page 16, 17 for how to fake a facelift with your blusher. Let's look. Fake a facelift. Wow. Okay. So there's a lot to read to figure out how to fake a facelift. I don't think there's anything that can help lift this anymore. Don't think so. All right, so let's get back to what else is in the box. All right, the fifth item is Bubble. Plumeria Custard Bath Fizzer. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay. I can smell it already. It does, did it say Plumeria? Yeah, a rhubarb. Rhubarb. Rhubarb and custard. Now, I love rhubarb. And this is a big one. Oh, wow, it's really tart like rhubarb would be. I don't know if I'd want to bathe in that. I like the smell, but not, I hope, I'm just gonna have to try it. Just think positive, right? Yeah. Bubble. Oh, wonderful. So, has citric acid and Chinese fruit extract in it. So you drop under warm running water, watch it fizz away, soak for as long as required. All right, that was our fifth item. So we have a sixth one. And let's see. What is it? It is a mask remover. Glow mask remover. Okay, mask off. So, oh, like when you use like a clay mask. This is nice. It is a kind of terry cloth, and it has a place for your hands so that you can really get in there and wipe off your masks that you're wearing. They're not referring to a sheet mask at all, more of the cream mask, moisturizing or detoxifying masks. This is a great thing. This is probably my favorite item. Next to maybe the eye patches. I like these too. All right, well that was this month's Look Fantastic. What did y'all think? I always love hearing your comments and love to know what item you would like to get. If anybody is looking for a blush, I have an extra. You just gotta comment down below. Be the first person to comment, and I'm happy to mail this out to you. Thanks so much, and take care.